I've got a CAD model up on my screen here, and I wanted to go through an easy method of manipulating your screen view, and it's known as the panning from left to right and up and down with the arrow keys, and for zooming in and out with the I and the O key. I've got a close-up of my keyboard too so that I can kind of show you these things, because the keyboard kind of goes the opposite way of what you want it to do, is what it seems like on your first trial doing this. So I've got this automotive part here. I'm looking at it in a rear view. I've got my 3 tooling spheres in these positions right here. And without using the mouse, I'm not going to jump onto that roller ball, which does work, by the way. If you just have a roller, a scroll wheel on your mouse, that will work as well. But what I like to use is my I and my O key, plus these arrow keys right here. And with a combination of both hands, I can zoom in and work around the screen by just using these keys here. So if I am zooming in with the I key, it will just go straight into the view that I'm looking at. And O, of course, will go out, so zoom in, zoom out. But now the arrow keys will bring me, like my left key here, it brings me left in the view. It shows more of the view. At first I was thinking, if I push on that left key, I would expect that view to go left, but it doesn't. So it's actually looking at more of the right-hand side of the screen. So between the I and the O key and these 2 panning keys for left and right, and these 2 panning keys for up and down, I can zoom in. So say this lower hole right here is a datum, and I was very interested in zooming into that area. Well, I can zoom in, and then a couple with the left, or one with the left, zoom in. Nope, I better go up a little bit, so I'm pushing on the down key to do that. And in, just a little bit down, moves that view up. So between these 2 hands, you can pretty much manipulate that whole screen. I'm going to the right here. I'm viewing more right. Now I'm going up, 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 up. Zoom out just a little bit. There we go. Okay, maybe that's the area of importance that I'm looking at. So zoom in with the I key there and zoom over just a little bit. So that's how to work the screen in a fast sort of way, is with the I and the O key for in and out, and these panning keys that are the arrow keys.